all, welcome to our channel Civil PSC Helper. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. In this video, we are going to discuss 20 previous questions from Kerala PSC Overseer Examinations. First question. The recommended size of the folded drawing sheet is option A A1, option B A2, option C A3, option D A4. So the recommended size of the folded drawing sheet is A4. Option D is correct. Second question. The bridge having their flooring at the top of the superstructure is called option A through bridge, option B culvert, option C deck bridge, option D semi through bridge. So the bridge having their flooring at the top of the superstructure is called deck bridge. Option C is correct. Third question. 1 acre is dash meter square. 1 option A 8027, option B 2047, option C 4047, option D 1222. So 1 acre is 4047 meters square. Option C is correct. Fourth question. A traditional drawing board is made up of dash wood. Option A jack wood, option B teak wood, option C pine wood, option D rose wood. So a traditional drawing board is made up of pine wood. Option C is correct. Fifth question. Unit of sand is option A 100 meters square, option B 10 meters square, option C 1 meter cube, option D 10 meter. So the unit of sand is 1 meter cube. Option C is correct. Sixth question. Measurement unit of plastering is option A meter square, option B meter, option C meter cube, option D meter raised to 4. The measurement unit of plastering is meter square. Option A is correct. Seventh question. Linseed oil is used in paint as option A thinner, option B vehicle, option C base, option D dryer. The linseed oil is used in paint as vehicle. Option B is correct. Eighth question. The process of removing moisture from the newly felled tree is known as option A drying, option B storing, option C seasoning, option D shakes. So the process of removing moisture from the newly felled tree is known as seasoning. Option C is correct. Ninth question. The roof provided for veranda is option A hip roof, option B gable roof, option C lean-to roof, option D deck roof. So the roof provided for veranda is lean-to roof. Option C is correct. 10th question. The outermost compression member of a truss is known as option A purlin, option B strut, Option C common rafter. Option D principal rafter. So the outermost compression member of a truss is known as principal rafter. Option D is correct. 11th question. The stair, which neither have any landing nor any intermediate newel post, is known as. Option A continuous stair. Option B dogleg stair. Option C open newel stair. Option D straight stair. The stair, which neither have any landing nor any intermediate newel post, is known as continuous stair. Option A is correct. 12th question. 3-point problem can be solved by option A Lehmann's method, option B Bessel's method, option C mechanical method, option D all of these. So the 3-point problem can be solved by all of these methods, that is Lehmann's method, Bessel's method and mechanical method can be used to solve 3-point problem. Here option D is correct. 13th question. The grid reference in the drawing is recommended for option A location of capital letters in the drawing, option B location of numerals in the drawing, option C location of symbols in the drawing, option D location of a detail in the drawing. The grid reference in the drawing is recommended for the location of a detail in the drawing. Option D is correct. 14th question. Number of bricks of size 19 by 9 by 9 centimeter required for 1 meter cube brick masonry is option A 460 numbers, option B 300 numbers, option C 500 numbers, option D 600 numbers. The number of bricks required for 1 meter cube brick masonry is 500 numbers. Option C is correct. 15th question. Cement required for 1 meter cube cement concrete using 20 mm metal is option A 171 kilogram, option B 4.32 kilogram, option C 121 kilogram, option D 330 kilogram. The cement required for 1 meter cube cement concrete using 20 mm metal is 330 kilogram. 16th question. Clean used for manufacturing of cement is option A Hoffman's clean, option B open hearth, option C blast furnace, option D rotary kiln. So the kiln used for the manufacturing of cement is rotary kiln. Option D is correct. 17th question. The inner part of wood surrounding the pith is called option A hardwood, option B cambium layer, option C sapwood, option D outer bark. The inner part of the wood surrounding the pith is called hardwood. Option A is correct. 18th question. The smallest reading that can be measured by using leveling staff is option A 5 mm, option B 0.05 mm, option C 10 mm, Option D 0.001 mm. So the smallest reading that can be measured by using leveling staff is 5 mm. That is, the least count of leveling staff is 5 mm. 19th question. The first reading taken after setting the level is option A intermediate side, option B foresight, option C backside, option D change point. The first reading taken after setting the level is called backside. Option C is correct. 20th question. The example for a level surface is option A surface of mountain, option B surface of still pond, option C plinth of building, option B curb of bridge. The example of level surface is surface of still pond. Option B is correct. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, comment and share. And also, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Thank you.